squats are completed, we are going to move on to our final movement, which will be a lunge. And you just need a flat surface for that allows you not to slide back and forth. I'm on gravel here, so I may have a little bit more of a problem with it, but if you learn how to balance and center your core properly, you should be fine on whatever surface you use. Take a big step back, it's big enough that your hip is able to go all the way down. You can just test it before you actually commit to this position that you start from, and the rest is the same. Head up, chest up, shoulders back, abs in, and from there we're going to push our knee out and keep it out, and repeat again for 15 reps.